Hi guys, Cykanikivlog here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, by the way, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being here, guys. I'm so sorry my hair is super short. I'm going to insert a video na nagpagupit ako, and then I literally cried after seeing my hair super short. And today, wala tayong makeup. Ano lang, kilay and lipstick because I'm so excited to show to you guys. Ito, yung lahat na nandito, nakuha ko to nung Watson's Card Holder na health symposium dito sa Cebu. And then, I was super blessed kasi ang daming discounts. Guys, I'm going to tell you about mga perks and discounts na makukuha nyo if you're Watson's Card Holder. And I'm going to show to you this one as well, my latest haul. So, let's start from this one. So, pasensya na kayo, I'm a little bit sick. Okay ba, guys? Ang init. Oh, summer na summer. Marami dun, guys. Maraming discounts. Ang ganda talaga pag Watson's Card Holder kayo at the same time. Kasi you'll get a lot more discounts. And yung card nila, guys, is lifetime na siya. So, walang renewal. So, ang dami ring points. If you're going to buy, super ganda ng points. And they have ongoing promos, symposiums, and mga seminars exclusive lang for Watson's Card Holder. So, it's very good. And you can also get points if mga special occasions, especially sa birthday nyo. Super mga discounted to, guys. Tissue to, gagamitin ko to for my makeup gigs kasi kailangan ko talaga to. And I have here the Argan Certified Argan Oil Shampoo. Meron din akong nakuha doon Watson's Green Tea Apple Scented. Yan. And then, along with the bag, meron ding another Olive Naturals by Watson. Mas maganda, guys, kasi, and this one is the Olive Conditioner Naturals as well. Conditioner. Excited na ako na magamit to, guys. I've got also multivitamins with iron. Kinuha ko siya kasi super gusto to ng husband ko, multivitamins with iron, kasi nga graveyard yung ship niya. For me, na parating allergy and talaga, so kailangan ko ng ascorbic acid. Yan. Yun ang laman nito. So, look good and feel better. Okay, so punta na tayo sa excited ko na nabili. Kasi kailangan ko talaga siya sa mga makeup gigs ko. Though, meron na akong dalawa. Pero, mas madali kasi to. Ang dali niyang mag-curl. I'll be doing an unboxing video or unbox ko na lang to today. Ito siya. So, siya? Steam Pro Hair Straightener Professional Vapor Infusion Iron. The power of steam straightens and curls hair like a pro for a silky, soft touch salon finish. So, I'm going to do an unboxing or a review for this or showing to you kung paano ko to ginamit sa mga makeup gigs ko. It costs 3,499 pesos. Magnetic pala to, guys. Ay, baliktad. Gagawa lang ako ng ibang unboxing ng video na to. And if you're a Watson's Card Holder, meron talaga mga freebies and everything. So, meron akong freebies na nakuha. Tingnan nyo. Yay! Super saya-saya. Mga keratin treatment, kailangan ko to. And ito naman. Gagawa ko ng separate video for the unboxing nito and how to use this one. So, abangan nyo. Pasensya na, guys, if I forgot to place the link sa description box. But then, every product review nandun sa playlist ko na product review. Thank you so much. That's it. I just wanted to show this to you so that naman para ma-share ko na siya. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and be a part of this happy family. And sorry for my short hair. Sarang he, bye-bye.